Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change fonts on TikTok. So if you want to change how the text look like on maybe on your TikTok profile or maybe on your TikTok videos captions, you can just follow the steps that I'm about to tell you through this video. So watch this until the end. First, let's just open TikTok. And in here, let's say I want to change my name, the fonts of my names on TikTok. So let's just go to the profile first. Here you can go to edit profile, and I'm going to change the font of my name. So I'm going to copy this. Then you can just go back to your home screen and then open your browser. And in here you can just search for font changer. Okay, you can see there are lots of font changer web that you can choose. You can just choose which one from this. So for example, I'm going to use this one, fontchanger.net, and here you can just enter your text. I'm going to paste the text before, then you can hit on enter, and you can see at the bottom there will be this options of fonts that you can select it for your TikTok. So you can just explore in here. There are popular fonts, common fonts, squiggle fancy fonts, and you can see there are lots of category crazy fonts, or this currency fancy lines and design fonts. So you can just choose which one. And here I'm going to, let's just use the popular one. I'm going to use this one. For example, you can just long press on it and then click on copy. You can go back to your TikTok and now paste the new font here. You can tap on save, confirm. Let's just go back in here. Now it has been changed, and you can also change the captions, for example, of your TikTok videos. Here you can just click on the three dots icon, and you can tap on edit post. Okay, so I cannot do that, so let's just create a new post. For example, here I'm going to just take a photo in here, tap on next. So I'm going to just set new phone in here. Let's just go to the font changer again, and you can paste the text again or just write it directly on the box. Sorry, this didn't add in here. Okay, so now you can just copy the fonts again, just like this, copy and go back to TikTok, and you can just paste it here. You can see the font is changed, and now you can just tap on post. And so that's how you can change fonts on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.